Okay. Now we mark the inside where we want to mount our 3-inch or our 3/4 inch brace in here, and I've marked it out here on the outside. So we're going to drill a hole, see if we can hit where we want it to go. Okay, that's pretty good. Maybe up just a little more. So we drilled this in here. We're coming out center where I want to be there. So we're going to do the same to the other side. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Okay, we got that where I want it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I will get back with you. So we're going to take our Dremel here and we're going to bore this out a little bit. That's so we can inset our screw. So I'm going to use 1 5/8 screw.
Our correspondents at Super Bowl 57 are there and have decided not to communicate with us. So, well, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Should we check in earlier because they would be still coming? Still partying? Yeah, maybe. 2 hours ago, we'll post some stuff on the Mama Time YouTube page, etc. And you can also, as Ace mentioned, a special celebration as the timing of this program is so precise. Coming up from the Cosby joke of the day. Yesterday's double dose, just stellar performances. Thank you very much. And timely as well.
Okay, we have our screws set in. So now we want to put the mouth in and screw it into here.
I've decided I want a pet termites. Is that right? I'm going to name him Clint. Clint eats wood. Brought to you by Pajama Brand. This Valentine's Day, get the soft, silky, naturally nude pajamas available at pajamabrand.com. Use code NUDE, N-U-D-E, and save 25% off your order of naturally nude pajamas. I like that one. Clint.
Okay, so now we have this. So what we'll do is we'll tighten this in, put a little glue around it to keep it from sliding on us, and then we have to adjust the mouth so we get it to open and close properly. Thanks for watching.